Discord is giving out 7 new quests. Yes, I am not including the old ones in it this time. Make sure to enable the VPN on both phone and PC and change your location to the United States. You can use any VPN you want. This one is a phone quest, so do it on phone and get 700 orbs. The second quest is from Avatar, From the Ashes. This also gives out 700 orbs. The third quest is from the Disclosure Day. This gives out 700 orbs. The fourth quest is from Gonna Need Milk. What a strange name. But anyway, this one also gives out 700 orbs. Just in 30 seconds, we managed to claim 2,800 orbs. The fifth quest is from Monopoly Go. Remember that Monopoly game we used to play in our childhood? I guess only 90s and 2000s kid would know. Anyway, this is a phone quest. Make sure your VPN is on in your phone too, with the US location. The sixth quest is from Ebony, the King's Return quest. This one gives out 700 orbs too. The seventh quest is a phone quest. I will reiterate again that you can use VPN of any company whatsoever, but make sure it has the US location. One comment made me chuckle, by the way. The comment was like, "Oh, which US location should we pick? Miami or Los Angeles?" I was like, what? I guess some people don't know how to use VPN. It changes your country's location, not state or places within your country. Anyway, this quest doesn't give you 700 orbs, but it gives you a beautiful avatar frame. You just need to do a small puzzle and watch a trailer video. Now, if you want the quest links, feel free to join my Discord support server and find Orbs channel. Now, the reason why I mention free Nitro in my thumbnail is after claiming orbs, you can exchange them from a 3-day Discord Nitro. I also want to make it clear to a few that Orbs is an official feature of Discord. Getting Nitro from Orbs exclusive shops. This was a small one-liner for YouTube mods who think Orbs is illegal. I've also linked Discord's official article about the Orbs in the description. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.